What's up, tubers? Welcome back to the channel. We got another What's in the Box video for you. Today we're looking at the Revell 1/24th scale Porsche 911 3.2 Coupe, all new tooling, 2-in-1 US Euro spec, all new tooling. I'm a sucker for that. Every time I see that on a box, or I'm aware that there's an all new tool kit, I have to have it. I built another Porsche whale tail. I'll put a picture up here. It's part of my Porsche race team. Originally, I thought maybe I would take this kit and do a side-by-side to, another Porsche kit that I have in my stash, but turns out that it's not the same. It's similar, but it's not the same kit. And in digging on ScaleMates, oh my gosh, that site is really confusing. I mean, the way it's laid out and the flow chart is it's hard to track. I'm going to go ahead and assume that it's probably all the same mold over time, but whatever. I'm going to crack this thing open and retire that knife because it doesn't work. Gimmicky nonsense. I was watching a YouTuber the other day. I was doing a build and unboxing, and did a little part about his 3D printing and describing the scale or the slicing software and how it works. It's a good little video. I appreciate his information. And one thing he did comment was, I've already taken it out of the bag, so you don't have to watch me open the plastic. But yeah, that's not how I do things here. You're going to bear with me while I crack this thing open and look at the plastic, because I like to open them and look at them, and then they go on my shelf until such time as I decide to build them. Interesting. This box style with the color manuals, usually that's where the flat kits usually get these. I don't know. I'm going to pretend to even know how any of it works. Nice looking decal sheet. Car 911, car 911, car 911. Yeah, some vanity plates, neat. What's that? Speakers, cool. Instrument clusters. Various body trim blackouts and logos and stuff. It's a nice looking decal sheet. Very nice. Hold it up there for a second, but I know the camera doesn't really pick it up and do justice. We'll just kind of blow through this. Look at the body real quick. Nice. Looks really good. The plastic feels really good. I don't see any, ugly ripples or short shots or anything. Apparently, a little bit of research that I did do. Oh, nice. I can see it's got a cutout so you can put a T-top in it. Apparently, they did do some fixing of the pillars or something. I'm not exactly sure what, but, again, whenever it says new tooling, that means it's going to go together nice, so I have to have one. Good looking body. It's a good looking car. Wow, have it. I just keep reaching for this thing, and it's dull. And it's got tape. Let me see if I can not cut myself. You won't slice towards yourself in a herky-jerky motion. The undercarriage looks nice. Good detail in there. It's probably your motor housing, body parts, and probably seat backs. So good details on that. It's probably going to detail up well. Like I said, the picture I showed you, I built one before, the Revell Porsche, a couple of them actually, and they came out really nice. I'm curious about. Yeah, you can see the door cards, and then there's a turbo. I'm really curious about the engine and the details, and whether or not one of those black box STL flat 6 prints will work on these. I believe they will. The Volkswagen motors that you've seen me build, print and make. Well, I'm gonna have to look. There's your motor. Yeah, it's very similar to the one that I built before. Really nice details on it. Looks really good. That will build up and paint up really nice. Looks like, I Only one exhaust type. Only one way to build the motor. Wait. 2-in-1. I wonder what that refers to. Oh, I think that's right in my hand. It's the right hand, left hand. Stock wheels, or, you know, whatever. I don't know anything about Porsches. It's a hot rod Volkswagen. Those are good looking wheels, though. They do look well when they're chrome outer rim and black on the inside. And then your rear bonnet lid, deck lid, I don't know. Bumpers, front and rear, valance. What is that? Oh, headlight buckets? Neat. Yeah, let's take a look at this. Right hand, left hand. The rear seat. No texture on there, but it looks nice. The pictures on the box look really good. They look really nice. The interior looks pretty clean. I have both of those colors too. Probably be the way I go. You know, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Seats, and then your right hand or left hand drive options. Very cool. That's always neat to see that in a kit. Usually it's dictated by the designer. It's either one or the other. So, we got 4 good looking tires. Really good looking tread. Nice soft. It's a little bit wider of a profile. It seems like that should be a little bit smaller, but still, it's a decent looking, stock tire. Of course, I'll have to look in this dash and see if I have anything that'll make it look better. But, these wheels, that's kind of where you have to go with it, just because. And then lastly, the clear parts. I'm not even going to get that out. It's got a front window, rear window, headlights, turn signals, etc. Pretty standard. Good looking car. So, that does it for the Porsche 3.2 Coupe. Trying to sound like this guy's on Top Gear. And then, lastly, look at their faces. Chime in, comment. What are they saying? This needs a caption. Her? Him? Huh? All right, thanks for watching.